Welcome. Today we're covering multimodal AI versus single task AI. Which one your business needs? You're probably paying for the wrong type of AI right now. And it's costing you more than money. It's costing you speed, accuracy, and competitive edge. In this video, we break down the real difference between multimodal AI and single task AI foundation models. Not the textbook definition, but the practical, revenue-impacting truth that Southeast Asian entrepreneurs and business owners need to hear in 2025. Here's the problem. Most businesses are either overpaying for massive multimodal systems they barely use, or they're duct taping together 5 different single task tools that don't talk to each other. Both approaches bleed money, both create inefficiency, and both come from the same root cause: not understanding which foundation model actually fits your operations. We'll walk you through real scenarios. If you're running an e-commerce brand, a logistics company, a service business, or a content agency, the right AI architecture looks completely different for each. And we'll show you exactly why. Key points covered. What multimodal AI actually means. GPT-4o, Gemini, etc. versus single task models. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.